Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Imagine you made a video and want to add music and sound effects. First, let's learn how to add a sound effect. To do this, we move on the timeline until the moment in which we want to add the effect. And we drag the sound effect, trying to place it at that exact moment. Next, we enter the layer configuration and open the options to see the audio waveform. And we match the start of the audio wave with the moment the animation occurs. Now let's adjust the audio level from here. I'm going to leave it at -3 decibels. From here, we can activate and deactivate the audio of a layer. Okay, let's see how it turns out. Now I'm going to include a music track. I simply drag the track onto the timeline. And we make a very simple sound animation so that the volume appears progressively. We place ourselves at the beginning of the timeline and reduce the audio level to -30 decibels. Next, we move forward 2 seconds and increase the audio level to -10 decibels. And voila! Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.